In the digital age, organizations need to be able to make decisions faster, connect to everything, and maintain critical operations even with limited connectivity. However, limitations such as latency, bandwidth to remote sites, and inadequate security are motivating organizations to explore edge computing solutions. From factory floors to transportation, from branch offices to retail stores, businesses need to maintain continuity no matter where they operate. And that means applications and users need to stay connected consistently, securely, and cost-effectively. Bringing compute, storage, and networking services closer to users and operational processes can help overcome these challenges, and that's where Red Hat can help. Imagine being able to run any application in any footprint at any location, extend data intelligence to the edge to make informed decisions faster, and use automation to improve consistency and scalability with enhanced security built into every layer of your infrastructure. The Red Hat Edge portfolio allows you to build and operate a common sustainable platform across your hybrid environment from edge to core to cloud. Designed to run anywhere, the foundation of Red Hat Enterprise Linux and Red Hat OpenShift provide a common infrastructure and application platform that allows you to integrate IT and OT systems while delivering a consistent operations, application development, and management experience. Offering a unified approach to automation, Red Hat Ansible Automation Platform helps lower operational costs by enabling IT infrastructure teams to quickly create, manage, and scale automation at edge sites. And for challenging field locations, Red Hat Device Edge allows you to deploy virtual or containerized workloads to even the smallest resource-constrained edge devices. That's one robust platform for your entire environment that allows teams to use the same tools and processes across your edge and hybrid cloud deployments. When it comes to Kubernetes at the edge, Red Hat has you covered, with flexible ways to address those needs, including remote worker nodes, 3-node highly available clusters, and single-node clusters, with small footprints and low power consumption thanks to Red Hat Device Edge. The Red Hat Edge portfolio, combined with our ecosystem of certified partner solutions, provides an interoperable and scalable platform capable of maintaining critical business functions no matter the location, and flexible enough to meet you where you are now and take you where you want to go tomorrow.